Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the Pixel 3 has at least half battery and a Wi-Fi connection. Once done, back up your photos and contacts to your Google account so nothing is lost. Next, confirm you know the Google account email and password tied to the phone. This prevents lockout after a factory reset. Now go to Settings to begin. We'll open System, then Advanced Options, and tap Reset to begin the first actionable step. Once you're in Reset Options, choose Erase All Data, also labeled Factory Reset. You'll be asked to confirm your device security. Enter your PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. This prevents accidental wipes. Then tap Erase Everything and watch the progress. The phone will reboot and perform the data wipe. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Make sure the device stays charged and do not interrupt the reboot, because halting mid-reset can leave the system in an unstable state. After the reset completes, you'll see the Pixel welcome screen. Proceed through setup and sign into the same Google account to clear factory reset protection. If you're blocked by verification, use account recovery from another device to regain access to your Google account, then return to the Pixel. If the phone enters a boot loop, boot into recovery mode, try wipe cache partition first, and if needed, repeat the factory reset. If problems persist, contact Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.